Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to pin this PC on Windows 11 taskbar by the simplest way. First of all, just go to the YouTube description and just copy this PC address. Okay, just copy this. No space after or before. Copy this. Control C. Copy this. Okay. Now, just go to the desktop. Right click on desktop. Here we find new. Just scroll to new. Here we find shortcut. Just click on the shortcut. Here just paste it. Okay, now hit enter on your keyboard. Now just type this PC. Okay, now click on the finish. Okay, now our shortcut is created. Now we want to change icon, so just go to the YouTube description and copy Windows icon. Just copy this. Okay, Control C or copy it. Okay, now just go to this PC icon, right click on it, just go to the properties. In properties, just go to the change icon, just paste it here, just Control Alt and right click on it and paste it. Then hit enter button on your keyboard. Now just find icon of our Windows. Okay, here is the icon of the Windows. Select that, click on OK. Now apply it. Now OK. Now here is this PC icon and we want to add this in the Windows 11 taskbar. That is very easy. Just select that, right click on it and go to the show more option. Okay, here we find pin to taskbar. Just select that and here is this PC icon in Windows 11 taskbar. Now we are going to delete this. Just click on delete button on your keyboard and delete it. Just open this PC from here. Just click at here and this PC is open. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.